Okay, so in order to add text into our website, we first of all need to click on one of these empty containers that we've added in already. You can see I've already got the word home page in. And what we're going to do is on the insert tab at the top, change this to HTML, and we're going to add in one of these paragraphs. So if we click on this paragraph and then click next, it'll put in a piece of blank text, and then that will allow us then to copy some text in that we've already written in a Word document. Now the reason I advise you to write it into a Word document is so that you can spell check it within Word. So as you can see now, we have entered the text in, and by pressing enter to go onto a new line, it's actually automatically added a new paragraph for us. Now if we want to reposition any of the text, let's say for example we want an image in there, well this is fairly easy to do, we've done this in the past. So click on the container, change this back to Bootstrap, and then click on grid with column row. And then what we're going to do is we're going to nest this inside and just choose the number of columns we want. So in this one we want 2. And you can see there now we've got content goes there, content goes here, and let's delete that one, and then all we need to do is copy some more text in here. So I'm going to just paste it in here, and you can see there now it's added in. Now, there is a slight difference. You will notice that we've added some text in here, but it's gone straight into the div. Now if you don't want that to happen, and I'll show you why you might not want that to happen, if I just cut that out a second, I'll put it back in. So when you add one of these paragraphs in, it gives you a little bit more control. So if you click on this, you can change certain things within the text. So I can make it all bold or take it all off. I can make it italics. I can also change the text alignment, and you can also transform the text in various different ways as well. So you get more control over this than you do if you just paste it into one of these dividers. Now if you want to ever put a heading in, then there's a H option here. Now you'll notice I've got H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. These are all different heading sizes. Now I've already used a heading up here, which happens to be heading 3. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this paragraph here, and then I'm going to click on this heading here. Now it's asking me, do I want it to put it before, after, wrap or nest? Now I'm going to actually choose before. And look what it's done, it's put it now before this paragraph. Okay? So we've got now your adventure. Let's say for example you think, yeah, that's too big. Well, if you highlight it, you can see at the moment, if we click on the 3 marks here, the format is currently set to H3. If you click on this, you can then change it and put it down to something smaller, like H4 or H5, and even H6, which then makes it smaller again. But you still have complete control over this as well. Now you can add in as much text or as little text as you like, but you will need something on your home page and potentially something on any other page which needs a little bit of explanation.